if you want your CV to get interviews and land you job offers just like this, there are a couple of things you need to do, and I'll be showing you that in a few minutes. I'm Austin, and at Career Clinics, we have helped over 200 professionals optimize their CVs and cover letters to land their dream jobs fast. And in this video, I'll be sharing how you can achieve that in a few steps. Stay till the end and you will never write a CV the same way again. First, let me show you what not to do, because avoiding these mistakes will get half the job done. Mistake number 1, using fancy fonts, colors, and graphics. Yes, it looks attractive, isn't it? But here's the problem. Most companies use Applicant Tracking System, ATS for short. These are robots that scan your CV before a human eye ever sees them. And guess what? Fancy designs confuse the system. Your CV gets rejected automatically without a human eye seeing it. So keep it simple. Use standard fonts like Arial, Calibri, or Times New Roman. No graphics, no tables, just clean, readable text. Number 2, writing paragraphs instead of bullet points. Nobody has time to read essays. Hiring managers skim. If your CV is full of long paragraphs, they will skip it entirely. Use bullet points. Keep sentences short. Make it easy to scan. Number 3, listing duties instead of achievements. This is huge. Don't tell them what you were responsible for. No, show them what you achieved. Instead of manage social media accounts, no, write this instead. Grew social media engagement by 40% in 6 months. See the difference? Numbers, results, impact. Now, let me show you the exact CV format that hiring managers love. This is the structure you need to follow. Section 1, contact information at the top of the page. Your name, phone number, email, and LinkedIn profile. That's it. Don't include your full address. Your city is fine. And make sure your email looks professional. Not coolkid2025@gmail.com. No. Use your real name. Section 2, professional summary. This should be 2 to 3 sentences. This is your elevator pitch. Tell them who you are and what value you bring. Example, marketing professional with 5 years of experience, driving brand growth through digital campaigns, skilled in SEO, content strategy and data analysis, seeking to leverage expertise to help you achieve your marketing goals. Keep it short, keep it punchy, and make them want to read more. Section 3, work experience. This is the most important part. List your jobs in reverse order, most recent first. For each job, include job title, company name, date, month, and year. 3 to 5 bullet points showing your achievements. Remember, always use numbers. Quantify your impact instead of handled customer complaints. No. Write, resolved 95% of customer complaints within 24 hours, improving satisfaction scores by 30%. That's how to write a resume that gets attention. Section 4, education. List your degree, school name, and graduation year. If you're a recent graduate, put this section near the top. If you have work experience, put it after your work history. Section 5, skills. List relevant skills that match the job posting. If the job says project management, make sure that's on your CV. This helps with ATS systems that scan for keywords. Example, Microsoft Excel, data analysis, customer service, project management. These are keywords that, if they appeared in the job ad, should also appear on your CV. Section 6, certifications. This is optional but very powerful. If you have certifications relevant to the job, List them here. Even free online courses count if they are from credible platforms like Coursera or LinkedIn Learning. That's the complete CV format. Simple, clean, and effective. By the way, if you need personal help writing your CVs or cover letters, write me at support@austinchisom.com and we'll figure it out together. Look, I know job hunting is tough. I know rejection hurts. I've been there myself. But your CV is your first impression. It's your foot in the door. And if you follow this step-by-step guide on how to write a CV, you are giving yourself the best possible chance. If this video helped you, even just a little, hit that like button, subscribe so you don't miss my next video. And if you know someone who's job hunting right now, share this with them. You might be the reason they finally land that job. To help you land that dream job faster, watch this playlist. It's filled with videos on interviews, how to land your next role, how to write winning cover letters. Just knock yourself out. Now it's your turn. Go update that CV and start landing interviews. Good luck.